Welcome to our video on the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025. 3D printers bring designs to life with precision and versatility. FDM printers suit beginners and large projects, while resin printers excel in intricate details. Key factors: auto-calibration, build volume, and material compatibility. Prioritize speed, ease of use, and print quality to find the perfect model for your creative or professional needs. So, let's get started. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer, a high-performance printing revolution. This 3D printer combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features to revolutionize your 3D printing experience. Designed for efficiency and creative potential, it's perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Key features: efficiency driving creativity. Realize your design swiftly with a travel speed of 600 mm/s and an acceleration of up to 20,000 mm/s2. The nozzle heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, saving valuable time while delivering high-performance printing. Quality assurance for intricate details. Fast printing doesn't mean compromising on quality. The core XY structure and durable all-metal frame provide exceptional stability for high-speed movements. With multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm, users can choose between speed and fine detail, ensuring outstanding print results. Smart convenience and innovative experience. The Adventurer 5M Pro simplifies printing with pressure sensing, automatic bed leveling, detecting platform height with precision for flawless first layers. The dual-sided PI platform enables effortless, tool-free model removal, eliminating the need for manual calibration or print rafts. User-friendly operation. From unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, this printer is engineered for simplicity. The FlashMaker app offers remote management, including video monitoring, real-time progress updates, parameter tweaks, and alerts. Features like auto shutdown, resume printing, and filament detection streamline the workflow, while the dual circulation system reduces dust for safe and clean operation. Next is Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. This 3D printer delivers a powerful upgrade in speed, precision, and ease of use, making it ideal for creators who need efficient, high-quality prints. With advanced features, this model stands out among its predecessors like the Ender 3 and Ender 3 Pro, 250 mm/s high-speed printing. The Ender 3v3 boasts an impressive maximum printing speed of 250 mm/s with 2,500 mm/s acceleration, drastically cutting printing time by up to 73% without sacrificing quality. This feature makes it an excellent choice for users seeking both speed and precision in their projects. Powerful Sprite Direct Extruder. An upgrade over previous models, the Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Extruder ensures smooth filament feeding and discharging. With enhanced pushing force, it is designed for reliability and works flawlessly with materials like PLA, TPU, and PETCH. Over 500,000 units of this extruder have been shipped worldwide, proving its market-tested reliability. CR Touch Auto Leveling and Strain Sensor. The printer comes equipped with CR Touch Auto Leveling and a strain sensor for auto-Z offset, eliminating the need for manual adjustments during the printing process. This feature makes setup easy and enhances print success rates. Stable dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts. The dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts made from durable steel ensure stability and accuracy. These features minimize wobbling and deviations, resulting in high-precision prints even for complex designs. Creality Official Support. The Ender 3v3 comes with 12-month after-sales service, ensuring users can get help and support whenever needed, with a response time of 24 hours through official channels. The Creality Ender 3v3 combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features, making it an exceptional choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. The next is Number 3. Prusa MK4 3D Printer. The Prusa MK4 is the latest addition to Prusa's flagship line of 3D printers, renowned for its reliability and advanced features. Combining the proven safety and reliability of its predecessors with high-speed capabilities, the MK4 is designed to meet the needs of professionals and enthusiasts alike. High-speed performance. The MK4 is equipped with input shaper support, enabling faster printing without compromising quality. This ensures smoother and more accurate prints, even at higher speeds, making it ideal for both rapid prototyping and detailed projects. Perfect first layer. With the inclusion of the load cell sensor, the MK4 delivers flawless first layers without requiring any manual adjustments. This sensor automatically calibrates the print bed, eliminating a common challenge for 3D printing. DIY kit or pre-built. The MK4 is available as a DIY kit for those who enjoy assembling their own printers, or as a fully built and tested unit for users who prefer to start printing right away. This flexibility caters to a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professional creators. Next-gen extruder and 32-bit platform. The Nextruder offers enhanced printing performance, featuring quick swap nozzles for versatility and convenience. The 32-bit connected platform adds even more functionality, including remote printing, a customizable user interface, and a one-click printing option, greatly improving user experience. Prusa Pla sample and lifetime support. Each purchase includes a free sample of Prusa Pla 2x25G, and Prusa Research provides lifetime technical assistance along with 24-hour customer service for any inquiries or troubleshooting needs. With its innovative features, high-speed capabilities, and trusted reliability, the Prusa MK4 is a powerful 3D printer that is perfect for creators seeking both performance and ease of use. The next is number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3-Combo 3D Printer. This 3D printer is a cutting-edge machine designed for users seeking both speed and versatility. This innovative printer allows for multicolor printing and boasts exceptional printing speed, making it a standout choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Multicolor printing. The Anycubic Kobra 3 is equipped with the Anycubic Ace Pro, enabling users to print in up to 4 colors. In the third quarter of 2024, the Anycubic Color Engine Hub will launch, allowing for prints in up to 8 colors, unlocking endless possibilities for personalized designs and artistic creations. Intelligent design. The Anycubic Ace Pro incorporates key features like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, drying, and ARFID sync. These intelligent features ensure that users experience smooth, efficient, and trouble-free printing, reducing the chances of failed prints. High-speed printing. With a print speed of up to 600 mm/s and 20,000 mm/s acceleration, the Kobra 3 Combo is 12 times faster than traditional FDM 3D printers. This remarkable speed allows users to complete projects in records time without compromising on print quality. Vibration compensation. The accelerometer G sensors detect vibrations during printing and adjust the motion control system to prevent issues like ringing. This ensures that the Kobra 3 Combo produces smooth and high-quality prints, even at fast speeds. Pantone collaboration. The Kobra 3 Combo offers an enhanced color experience with Pantone's 3D printing exclusive color filament, bringing stunning, vibrant designs to life. With its user-friendly design, pre-installed features, and auto-leveling system, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo combines power, speed, and versatility, making it a top-tier choice for those entering the world of 3D printing or looking to enhance their creative capabilities. The next is number 1. Bambu Lab 1 3D Printer. Precision, speed, and simplicity in 3D printing. The Bambu Lab A1 3D printer is a cutting-edge solution for hobbyists, designers, and professionals seeking unparalleled performance and convenience in 3D printing. Engineered for speed, precision, and user-friendly operation, the A1 delivers outstanding results with every print. Key features. High-speed precision. The A1 boasts an impressive acceleration of 10,000 mm/s2, enabling rapid prints without compromising on quality. Experience unmatched precision and intricate detailing in your creations, even at high speeds. Multicolor printing with AMS Light. Unleash your creativity with vibrant multicolored prints. The A1 supports seamless multicolor printing with AMS Light, either included in the A1 combo or available separately. Bring designs to life with stunning detail and color accuracy. Full auto-calibration. Forget manual adjustments. The A1 takes care of calibration automatically, ensuring perfect Z offset and bed leveling. Enjoy consistent, high-quality prints every time without the hassle of manual fine-tuning. Active flow rate compensation. The A1's intelligent algorithm adjusts the flow rate dynamically, ensuring smooth and flawless extrusion. Achieve consistently perfect layers, even with complex geometries. Easy and quiet operation. The Bambu Lab A1 prioritizes user convenience with a simplified touchscreen interface and a one-clip quick-swap nozzle for effortless maintenance. Active motor noise canceling ensures a quiet printing experience, perfect for home or office environments. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Bambu Lab A1 3D printer combines speed, precision, and ease of use to transform your ideas into reality. From detailed prototypes to multicolored masterpieces, the A1 is your gateway to professional-grade 3D printing. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.